It's time for another eBay unboxing video. I believe this box contains a couple of really neat items, so without delay, let's get to it and check them out. And here are the items. We have an original 1979 USS Enterprise from the original motion picture Star Trek movie. It's made by Dinky Toys. It's all die cast. And I don't consider myself a Trekkie at all, but I am a collector of die-cast TV and movie cars, so this really fits in with my collection. I'm not sure if that's picking it up at all, but it says USS Enterprise, made in England on the bottom of the saucer there. So that is pretty cool. And here is the back of the card. Looks like it's you can send away for a subscription to the Dinky Club of America. And here's like the copy right here, 1979. Huh, that's interesting. It says manufactured in USA, but it says right on the bottom made in England, so that's kind of interesting or odd. And here's the other Star Trek ship there, the Klingon Cruiser, which we have wrapped up in bubble wrap here. And once again, all in the original packaging. So that is pretty cool. And here is the back of the card. Basically, it looks identical to the Enterprise card there. So, very cool, very nice additions to my TV and movie die-cast collection. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and there will be more to come. Thanks for watching.
Travel forward with us, 300 years into the future, to confront the greatest mystery ever to threaten mankind. We are aboard a huge starship called the Enterprise. This is the return of Captain Kirk.
An alien object of unbelievable destructive power is less than 3 days away from this planet.
Mr. Spock.
I offer my services as science officer.
Dr. McCoy. Scotty. And joining them on their mission, Commander Will Decker and Navigator Ilea.
I'm sorry.
That you left Delta for? Or that you didn't even say goodbye?
Get us back in impulse power. Full reverse.
Wormhole distortion has overloaded the main power systems. The lane phaser order. Fire torpedoes.
This, then, is the epic journey of the Starship Enterprise, traveling to the outer limits of time and space to challenge a vast, living machine of destruction. The human adventure is just beginning. Star Trek, the motion picture.